Military services fight together, they protect one another, but they like to argue about who is the most important. I served in the Army, so of course I would vote for the Army. But the Department of Defense came up with an order of precedence among the services. That order of precedence is used for many things. For instance, in a parade, it determines who will march first and in what order. When the songs of the various services are played, it tells you what order they should be played. And if all of the flags of the services are displayed together, it tells you which one will be over on its own right, and then as it goes down in order. The order that the Department of Defense has come up with, and some individuals in the various services will argue with if this is correct. However, the Department of Defense directive gives the order of precedence as the Army, the Marine Corps, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. For the first four, that's based on the date when they began as an organization, how old they are, and they are all within the Department of Defense. The Coast Guard brings up the rear because it is during years of peace. It is not within the Department of Defense. And today, for instance, it's under the Department of Homeland Security, which is not as old as the Department of Defense, so the Coast Guard comes last. However, if in time of a declared war, the Coast Guard is placed under the Navy, then it would move ahead of the Air Force and be right after the Navy.